Alright guys, so this is what the motorcycle looks like before. Okay, so we're gonna be changing those out today. We ordered these from CST. This is what comes in the box. So we ordered these. So this is a quick before and after. I know it's dirty. You all know we've already installed the Kawasaki exhaust. We put different foot pegs. Got the little liner here. But this is it so far. So I'll probably time lapse the installation, and then we'll do another walkthrough with the new lights. So stay tuned, guys. Alright, to those that are taking the fairing off. It was kind of tricky. Wasn't really a lot of screws, okay? You will have to take off this pigtail though. And I already have the relay, so I shouldn't have the blinking quickly. So really, to take that whole fairing off, is I had to remove the plastic cowl under here, over here, and all this was up here was a series of clips. You know, I thought this was all one piece right here, but it's not. So just FYI, be careful with these clips. They pop out. They don't do that like the 17 and 19s where you have to slide them up. You just have to pull it out and just make sure you watch out for the rubber grommets. Alright, let's get these lights installed, guys. Alright guys, so here's the fairing. Okay. So in order to get to that bolt back there, we'll have to remove this plastic piece, which is held by 2 screws, and then it looks like we'll be sliding it up. So we'll do that next, and then we'll take that out and we'll install the new light. So we just removed the plastic piece. It was a little hard, this tab right here. So to install the lights, we will remove 1, 2, 3. So and I guess you're gonna have to reuse the OEM bolts, screws, and look at that. So here's the difference, guys. It'll go great with the color of the bike, but also I can't really tell the weight difference, but there's a little bit there. This might be a little bit heavier. So for install though, we just line it up with the bolt holes, and here's the pigtail. Take off this little wrap. Okay, so this is for the left. It even tells you right there, so just put it in there. And I won't screw them all in. I'll let, you know, at the same time I'm flipping around and make sure it fits, so that way I can wiggle it to get that perfect fit. I don't know if y'all can see this, but it feels like it's supposed to pop through that. Like it's not going through. Maybe not a perfect fit after all. Let me try and install it a different way. This is the lip, yeah. Like the lip isn't coming through on this bottom side. I don't know if y'all can see that, but it's not coming through down here. Does that make sense? Or is it supposed to be like that? There's a gap too. Okay. We'll just screw it down. It doesn't look like it's supposed to go like that, but fit isn't on point. Maybe it's supposed to be like that. Is it upside down? I mean, it just looks... I have a big gap right there. This doesn't seat right. Sorry about that, guys. I don't know. Maybe it's supposed to be like that, so whatever. So now we'll install this plastic piece back on. And to do that, we'll have to line up all the clips. Start with these out front. This one right here. There's a little pin here. Don't forget about the clips that go right here. Okay. Pin. Up this right here. Okay. Screws. there's the finished product, guys. Like a gap here, and I guess that's just how it's supposed to be. I don't know. We'll wait and see. Alright guys, so got it all installed back together. So before I do this side, I just wanted to show the difference. And, let's go ahead and just turn it on. They're the emergency lights. It looks good. Let's get the other side done, and then we can do the comparison. There it is, guys. I hope y'all enjoyed the video. Y'all have a good day.